It's Sean Vigue with SeanVigueFitness.com. Welcome, my friends, to day 3. If you notice that my lips are not matching what I'm saying precisely, that's because there was a lot of wind in this recording, and I didn't want you to be distracted by that. So I'm going to do a voiceover for the first 9 minutes of day 3, core. Pilates for athletes. Check in below with questions, feedback, or just let me know that you are training with me. Let's begin with the Superman Banana. Like all good things, begin. Stretch out the arms and the legs, breathing in the nose and out the mouth. 10 repetitions, Superman Banana. When you are ready, we're going to inhale and lift up off the mat. Feel that engagement in the back and then rolling onto your side. Banana, legs forward, arms in the front. Find a little balance here. And then roll back with precision, with flow to Superman and then the other side. So back and forth 10 times, Superman Banana. Try not to touch the hands or arms down onto the ground, using the core, your abdominals, lower back, hips, and glutes, your core section to move you back and forth. Inhale to the center and exhale to the nice ripe banana, building a very, very strong and functional back and core with this exercise. To the Superman and banana. Always focus on your flow, on your precision, on your control. And back to the Superman. Lift for an extra breath or two. Feel that length all the way down the body. Long, lean, strong, functional muscles to boost your athletic performance in each and every sport. Let's go into the Pilates 100. Legs extended, heels together, toes apart, pumping the arms up and down 4 to 6 inches. Breathing in for 5 and out for 5. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. 5 counts in, 5 counts out. You can also bend your knees on this one. Do you want to make sure your lower back is imprinted into the mat? I'll be quiet now so you can breathe and count. And finish it up. Shoulders back and down, chest open. It just looks like I'm talking to myself, which I would anyway, even if I wasn't filming. Single leg stretch 10 times. Right knee in, extend the left leg out, and slowly back and forth, hitting every muscle in the core as well as the entire body. Pull the knee directly in for a wonderful stretch. You're balancing out your body. You're balancing out your core. Inhale as you switch. Exhale as you pull in 10 repetitions. Now, single straight leg stretch. 10 times, 2 pulses. So pulse, pulse, inhale, switch. This is going to move right into the scissors. So 10 repetitions. Pulse, pulse, inhale, switch. Really fling the leg away. Working on stretching the backs of the legs while you stabilize your center and anchor your lower back into the mat. All right, now keep scissoring the legs. Scissorings. This is going to move into a scissors crisscross in just a few moments. The head is down. Focus on stabilizing, nothing else moving. Now, fingers to the back of the head. Let's lift the head and shoulders off the mat, or arms to the sides. Feel that burn. You feeling this? How is this? Is this having an effect right now on you? You feel like you're busting through your thresholds. Let's get ready for that scissors. We're going to do 20 crisscrosses right here. So lifting the chest. It looks like I'm tapping my elbow. I am not. I am lifting the chest to that opposite knee. 20 repetitions. Inhale, exhale as you twist. Actually make the range of motion even smaller. Now, same arm, same leg. Isn't that great? 20 times. Right arm, right leg, left arm, left leg. You can always pause this, watch the video, get a sense of it, and then do it. Write it down if you like. Same arm, same leg, 20 repetitions. Okay, excellent. Now, windshield wipers. Let's take those legs back and forth. In this whole 5-day challenge, I am always building in flexibility and mobility exercises. Pilates is all dynamic movement, and we want to keep our body open, keep the circulation going. All right, Pilates plank. 20 times, forearms down. Extend the legs back. We're going to inhale through the nose and press forward. touch the nose to the thumbs, and then exhale back. Try to keep your body parallel. 20 times. Inhale forward, exhale back. 3, 4, get the rhythm. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're playing with power. 9, 10. 10 more, my friend. Burn the shoulders. A lot of movement and flexibility in the shoulders. I believe we're on 14, 15, 16, 17. We're almost there. 18, keep good form. Always good form. 19, 20, and one extra one. Yeah, all right, extra credit. Press it back for a moment. Child's pose. Lengthen the spine. Swaying back and forth. Get some blood flow. Refresh and breathe. We have the tree crunch 6 times on each leg. We're going to roll onto our backs. Use precision and control. Rolling down. Adjust the clothes, right leg up, left leg out, or bend the left knee and place the left foot flat. Now, with the exhale, we're going to explode up the leg. Drop the shoulders. Big stretch here. Now place the right foot to the inside of the left leg and hinge up and over the left leg. It's a big movement. We're going to flow all the way through it. Right leg comes back up, and now imprint the spine back down one vertebrae at a time. Exhale, explode up, drop the shoulders, open the chest, hit all of those poses, hit all of those themes, all of that flow. We're very meticulous in Pilates. Great attention to detail at all times. And rolling down, massaging the spine, peel the spine off the mat. 6 repetitions on each side. And then press the back of that left knee down. Right leg up, rolling down. There's the rhythm. There's the flow. That translates to the field, the court, the golf course, wherever you play your favorite sports. Or sport. And up, drop the shoulders, hinge up and over that left leg. Pull the belly button in. Right leg up. Rolling down, switch the legs. Let's not miss a beat. And here we are, 6 times on the other side. Pilates is the process of progressive destabilization. We keep destabilizing your body more and more. Once it gets comfortable, we throw a wrench into it. We throw something in, a movement, something different that your body has to adapt to. It's the only way it builds and strengthens. All right, 6 times. Progressive destabilization. Up and over. And all exercises build on each other. It's amazing workout discipline. So I am so pleased you are training with me with your Pilates. Up and over. Back of the right knee down. Leg up. Imprinting down. The more repetitions, the stronger we get. Okay. What's next on the menu? We're going to do a shirt tuck. Shake it out. Grab a drink if you need to. We're going to do leg pullbacks with leg kicks. So plank position, 12 leg lifts. Inhale, lift. Exhale, down. 12 times, alternating. Again, core stabilization, stabilizing the abdominals, lower back, hips, and glutes against the movement, pressing into the palms, stabilizing the shoulders and the triceps. Now, coming down to a reverse plank, we're going to do 12 leg kicks. Hands on the shoulders, pick your hand position, lift up, hold here, or inhale, kick the leg up 12 times. Definitely a more advanced variation. Work your way up to it if you like. Remember, this is your workout. This is your team's workout, your coach's workout. So progress naturally and always quality over quantity. All right, now once more, back to leg pullbacks, plank position. We're going to do 10 repetitions this time. Alternating, inhale up, exhale down. In the nose, out the mouth. Pilates breath. Very good. Inhale up, exhale down 10 times. And once again, leg kicks. Hands down. Lift. 10 leg kicks. Inhale. Really got to kick it up there. A lot of hip flexor activity here. Get a nice big kick as you work your way up to it. Oh, you feel that. Imagine doing that with ankle weights. All right, bring it down onto your stomachs. My friend, we have pulling the straps 10 times. Arms to the sides, legs together. Inhale forward, exhale, pull back. In the nose, out the mouth. In the nose, out the mouth. Open the legs wide when you reach forward, pull back. I like to visualize the sentence, long, lean muscles. That's not a full sentence, but it works for our purposes here. Put a comma in there too, long, lean muscles. Long, lean, functional muscles. Inhale forward, exhale back. Now, leg lift, crisscross 20 times. This is really going to challenge that core. Right knee in, right angle, left leg out, fingers to the back of the head. Lift the leg lower and switch. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Again, the chest moves towards the knee, not the elbow. If the elbow comes in, it's going to pull on your neck. Now add some speed to this to burn the core and also challenge your control of the entire movement. No matter which movement you are doing, it is under your control. You are balanced. You are in control. You have strength and precision. Practice this one. All good things come to those who work hard and practice and are consistent. 20 times. Leg lift, crisscross. All right, windshield wipers. Now you may stop here, my friends. This can be the end. I have an extra credit sequence here. I'm going to go live for that one. It's the boomerang exercise. Definitely a more advanced Pilates exercise. Every one of these exercises in the 5-day challenge has extra credit. So if you choose to do it, here we go. All right, so if you're still with me, God bless you. 5 boomerangs. Cross your right leg over your left. This is a more challenging, definitely, Pilates exercise. Full body. Hands to the sides. Exhale, tuck the chin, roll back. Legs up and over. Inhale, switch the legs. Exhale, roll up to half boat or full boat. Knees bent or all the way out. Reach back. I like to add this little mudra and then up and over for the stretch. That's 1. We're going to do 4 more. 4 more boomerangs to the best of our ability. Boom. Massage the spine like a wheel as we go up and then back. Enjoy that stretch, my friend. Press the backs of the knees down. 3 more. Effortless movement. Effortless. Whoop. Little adjustments. Oh yes, 2 more. Make them the best ever. Improve athletic performance on every level. There it is. It all starts with that strong center, that strong core. 1 more. Open, close. Roll it up, hands free. Each time we improve with each repetition. Gain that body wisdom. And there it is, my friends. Please check in below, leave your comments, questions. Thanks for doing the 5-day Pilates for Athletes challenge with me. Share it with your teammates, coaches, teachers, but not your rivals. Never share it with your rivals. If you like this, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 4. Hey, it's Sean again. If you like this video, I have a free gift for you. It's one of my most popular members-only videos from my vault. All you have to do is click the first link in the description below or in the pinned comments, and that will take you to a page where you enter your email address, and I will send you that free video right away. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to this channel by pressing the subscribe button, smashing the like button, and check in below with any feedback, questions, or if you have any specific workout requests for me, put those in the comment section below. That is the best place to reach me.